Yes, it's still your boy DJ Dwayne representing Global News Zimbabwe Sport. Still at CCC Grounds. My legends in football. Today, Hardlife Zvirekwi. Messi, I think you know him. He's played for the Warriors, he's played for Cape United, and now he's running playing football. Norton Big Boys. Welcome to Global News Zimbabwe.
Thank you very much.
People might have heard you Budara and but still Muripo Murugu representer and still running. Takona Mchitamba first hand, I can confirm that. Takona Mchitamba and Bora Rimo. How does it feel? You're still playing football?
Yeah, obviously it's a good thing that we're still playing. Still thank God for good health. And obviously as former footballers we have to keep fit, you know. It's important. It's important for our health, it's important for our bodies, even our mental health as well.
Exactly.
So that we can find somewhere that we socialize, somewhere that we in something that we are used to, you know, in a comfortable environment. So obviously we had to come and join Big Boys so that we also contribute to the cause of the team.
Okay. Ndanzwa pamataura mkoma mchiti former footballers ndapakota ipapo ndichiti alright, former footballers as you playing football or makapedza kutamba bora, you're just playing it for fun?
Yeah, obviously we officially retired from football. I retired two years ago.
2 years ago,
yeah. So obviously I'm just looking at just playing for fun.
For fun.
You know, football is a fun game. You never know, but not taking it too much, but just for fun and keeping fit. That's what we are looking at.
Ikanzi yapinda Norton Big Boys yamuri kutambira ine legends ndanzwa mazita akawanda, mazita akakura. Your legends have played for the national team. Ikanzi yapinda mu Northern Region Division 1. Are you still going to be playing football?
No, it's always up to the coach for that, to decide that. You know, we are just taking things one thing at a moment. You know, we're not putting ourselves under pressure. We're just playing it easy, playing it cautious. If we get promoted, obviously you would want to participate, but sometimes you want something that is best for the team. If we are best for the team, then we can play, but if you're not best for competing in the first division, then obviously we need something that will benefit the team most, not just want to play, but for the big boys to go forward as a brand.
Thank you very much Mkoma Zvirekwi for coming on Global News. Share. Most people want to go Mkoma Hardlife watakuona wachitamba ku Cape United vakangoti zi vanongachita apera, but still you playing, showing the world that age is just a number. I'm still playing.
Yeah, obviously.
And you're dominating on the log as well.
Yeah, we have to show the young guys, you know, we have to inspire them, because in Division 2 League there are a lot of young guys that are aspiring to play at the top level.
Yeah.
So obviously they have to draw some inspiration from there. So obviously,
if they see you play, they feel inspired, they get inspired.
You know, even rubbing shoulders with us in the pitch.
Yeah.
They are motivated as well to do better.
Former international. Yeah.
So it's also good for the boys. And also for the league.
Thank you very much Mkoma Zvirekwi for coming on Global News. Share one or two he's still there, he's still fit, he's still running around.
Thank you so
Thank you very much. This is your boy DJ Dwayne representing Global News Zimbabwe, and I'm Mkoma Zvirekwi, former Zimbabwe International and Cape United. Aitamba bora ariko ikoko, and now vachiri kutamba bora. He said Hans Daka retire, but he's still fit to play. And if we get promoted, if the coaches vachiona ndiri fit for playing in the Division 1, he will still be playing. So you'll be watching more of Mkoma Zvirekwi. He's still around and he's still playing, he's still running. I can confirm that. So keep on watching Global News Zimbabwe Sport. We'll be right here giving you nothing but the best in sport, from grassroots to the Premier League. This is your boy DJ Dwayne representing Global News Zimbabwe. Be out.